Hello guys, in this video we're gonna build this review section. You will also learn how to build it with fewer widgets as possible, and besides that you're gonna get an awesome tip in the end on how to build a good review section that not only looks good but also converting show more trust. Okay, let's dive into the Elementor editor. So this is the section that I've built. So now we're gonna do it step by step, and we're gonna do it slow. If someone don't have the time, you can just make this video a little bit faster. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to create a section. After we created the section, let's make a title. This will be the heading. Now, let's center align it. Let's make it something around 48. It's a good number. We're gonna give the section 80 pixels padding up and down. Let's make this title a little bit bolder. And let's change the text. Okay, and now we're gonna take, there's a couple of ways to reach for this outcome. You can make 3 sections. You can make a section with 3 columns, or you can use just one. Okay, and use the image box for it. So the first thing, we're gonna take an image box. To place it down here. Now we're gonna go to advanced and positioning and give it a width of 30 of custom width of 33%. Okay, and on the mobile we're gonna give it 100%, like this. Percent. Yeah, something like this. Now let's go back. Whoa. Let's go back to the desktop view. Now for the image, we will need to get a square image for the circle to look great, just like here. So I have a couple of a mock data. I'm gonna use it. Let's enter this one for now. Okay, let's put this one over here, so it will bless the distraction. Okay, the image, we will give it border radius of 50%, something like this. The heading size looks good. This one also looks good. And now the image box, it needs to get 20% margin and 25% padding. Okay, and the last thing that we need to do about this box is to add the shadow effect. We're gonna go to advanced, border, and box shadow. And what I almost always do, I take the blur up to 30, and the color is gonna be, take it black all the way, and I'm gonna give it opacity of 13, 14, I think 18 looks good, something like this. And here we go. Now we need to get this image a little bit over the top, like we did over here. So in this one, I used the custom CSS a little bit. You're gonna see it right here. I just took the selector, okay, because it's an image box. It has only one image, this one right here. So I told selector, it means that it work only on this widget, and then img, the image in under this image, and gave it the box shadow and margin top minus 50 pixel. Margin top, it's like tell him to go negative spacing of 50 pixel from direction up. So what's gonna happen if I'm gonna make it like 20 pixel, let's say, gonna go way down. But I found that 50 pixel is the sweet spot. Not 150, but 50. Something like this. So I'll copy the CSS here. You can find this CSS in the description of this video. So now let's go to Style, Advanced, Custom CSS, and paste it right here. And here we go. We're gonna get it. Some things that we need to add here. It's like spacing between the title and the reviews, something like 60. I think it looks good. Now we can duplicate it like this, and let's add some another images for better perception how it should look like. And this one, I think it's good. Yeah, it looks awesome. And one also in the headline, in the heading, what you need to do is highlight the biggest benefit this specific client got from the service. She helped me scale. Oh, 1 second. She helped me scale my business in 10 days. Say something like this. So the people who will look at this review will know exactly the outcome that this client got. Okay? Let's say in this one, he pushed me. She pushed me to get my wildest dream. Something like this. And this one, let's make it like I fired my boss. Because of her. By the way, English is my second language, so don't roast me too much about it. This is what you get. Anyway, I think we all done. We got this review. Another thing that I did here, it's I gave it a white background about the image box. Go to advanced, background, and color. We'll give it white. You'll see why in a minute. Okay, set copy. This is so useful. Paste style. Awesome. And over here in this section, I made it a very, very, very light gray, so the reviews will pop, as you can see here. And let's say something like this. Take the color black, opacity almost 0, something like that. And one last thing, the name of the people who left the review over here. Of course, you can do it with 3 columns and an image, and then a title, and then a text area, text, and then another text to get it. But why? Why so many widgets? See, in this one you have 1, 2, 3, 4 widgets. That's all. Okay, So to get the name, let's say it like this. This one, let's say her name is Anna B. I don't know what. I'll do something like I'll enter a BR. BR mean you're gonna go one line under. It's a line break, something like this. I'll do two BRs, something like this, and then I'll write Anna. Oh, 1 second. BR BR, and let's see Anna B. Let's say she's an agent. Agent. And we'll even give it a bold a little bit, how we can achieve it. Go over here and Control B, something like this. And here we go. But I think we have too much space from some reason. So let's take one BR out. I think it's too much. No, we'll need another one. Yeah. Something like this. I think it's good. Yeah. Her training. Okay, and the next thing we'll do to do all three. Something like this. Now, if you have some chances that the text is not long enough and you have different sizes of text for its testimonials, let's do this. For example, let's say the testimonial is much shorter. Let's say something like this. This one is not looking good. Okay, so what we need to do in this situation is to give this element a padding bottom. So we'll go to advanced, we will disable the link, and the bottom it's gonna be like, I think, something about 60 pixel, little bit more, straight line. Awesome. And here we go. Let's check it on mobile. Let's see how it's looking right now. Yeah, this one the new. This one I have a bug in it, and awesome. And this one I want to make it like something like 38 instead of 48, like what my clients has to say. We can make the bottom padding something like 40. Here we go. We have an awesome, very looking good review section. But now what I wanted to empathize, that the website needs to look good, okay? But it needs to serve its purpose first. What does that mean? It's mean the review section need to convey trust and make the person who will visit this website to trust this website and buy or get a service from this client. Okay, so what we found that worked the best is not only this one that looks awesome, but also screen captures of text messages from clients, Facebook recommendation, Google recommendation, everything. In my opinion, if you do something like this from the 3 big clients and you have something like 6 more screenshots of client results, like something like Facebook posts that someone recommend you, text messages, videos, it's awesome. All those stuff needs to be here. And that's it. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to see another one, another thing, you can please reach out. Happy to help. Bye bye.